Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some light hacking along with some video games like Smash Brothers. Today I'm going to be working on the combat system. Last night I did a whole bunch of work with Alan on the Rolepy bot, and I figure we might as well strike while the iron's hot and try and get more done on this son of a gun. I feel like I'm finally starting to get things in. I've got through my login code, and I'm now able to log in and stuff. But now I'm trying to make it so the system actually loads your character in, and once you're loaded in, we're going to add in some combat stuff. So last time I was hanging out with Alan, last night, we started to work on this, which is like a different list of different combat actions that you can make. And then maybe I'm going to add one more onto here. It should be give item. So that's like you're giving an item to somebody else. I think that's the whole. I guess give items could be part of inventory. Yeah, that actually makes sense. Let's keep it apart. Try and keep it minimize everything. Yeah, you open your inventory, and if you select an item, you can probably give it to someone. It's going to be interesting because a lot of this stuff is going to be interesting implementing. But let's take a look at the character thing. Now, I'm wondering if the character is actually loading based off of a name now. No, you can just set a display name if you want. And this right here, this Ooh, okay. So this cleanup display name is not really cleaning it up. Really what we're doing is I guess we are cleaning up, that's part of this process, but the intention of what we're trying to get done here is trying to get create a username. So we should, instead of clean up display name, it should be create username. Create username from display name. Okay, now we need to go down to our cleanup code, clean up display name, and rename this to create username from display name. I love Python. When you write it out, like when you find the perfect name for your functions, it should just read like English. You know what I mean? You just write the code, and then it reads like, okay, if you want a username, so then you're going to have to create a username from the display name. Okay? So, answer input validation. So we're going to imagine that we get sent in some sort of thing. Let's say it's, again, we're using my friend's D&D character names. D&D, of course, standing for Demons and Daggers. And Barda, please don't sue us, Watsy. Barda Mardis would be the display name. Barda underscore Mardis would be the internal name. And then Barda would be the username. Does that make sense? So Barda Mardis is like the display name or full name. full name. Bardo Mardis would be the internal name, and Bardo would be the username. Because the internal name is most... I'm wondering if I should just not do any kind of conversion and I should just save what they give me. And I don't, and if they give me any invalid characters, I should just deny them and be like, nope, you put invalid characters in, try again. Oh, hi, the Lone Ranger. Thanks for following. How you doing? What up, homie? Welcome to the channel, my friend. I hope that you enjoy your time in my community. If you like the content that I make, consider joining the Discord as well. The Discord is where we put all the updates for when we do new streams and stuff. So, thank you for following. Also, I think that with the follow of the Lone Ranger, we are currently at 199 followers. If we get to 200 followers, that would be nutty. Also, I just realized that my overlay needs to be changed a little bit. Oh my god. There we go. Give it a second for that. That was hype. So give me a second. I'm just changing my overlay right now because I realized that that overlay was a little bit old. My most recent overlay is this this overlay I have here. This is my just chatting overlay. I update this one almost daily. So your programming overlay, is that the one? No, it's Twitch desktop. Okay. Let's put on a little bit of music. Okay, we're gonna get back into the programming in just a moment. I'm just... Let me think here. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna have to update the stream elements thing as I go because I've kind of figured out my problem. I think what I should be doing is I should save like two different versions of them. I don't think I should mess with the capitalization. Although I'm worried that, like, then the fact that, like, Python has so much string protection, or, like, string stuff that you can do, is a blessing and a curse. I'm gonna just ask here, shouldn't we just explode them? Don't. Characters? This is a good question. Shouldn't we just deny them entry if they have invalid characters? Because at this point, they've typed one of these crazy symbols here, and they're typing some crap into the... Oh my god, that's too loud. Okay, I'm gonna change my overlay quickly. Oh, I just realized my stream avatars are not working. Why is stream avatars not running? I'm gonna get the stream avatars going, guys. Okay, there we go. That should start it, yeah? Did that do it? Oh, sick. There we go. All my friends appeared. Hi, Baron Nancy. Hi, Blazebug. Hi, T-Crazed. My friends are here. Okay, let's go back to doing what we were doing before. So inside here I got I have like a I have a data issue. Basically, I gotta try and figure out which way I gotta format things and stuff. So let me just open like Krita or something, and I'll just doodle in Krita what I'm trying to explain. Because I don't know if I'm making any sense whatsoever. Okay, I don't know if this is going to make any sense. But here, I'll show you what I'm trying to think. Actually, it would be even better if I put this on my second monitor. And I move this over here for a moment. We want to do this. Oh, there it is. I need to grab some water. Be right back. So I'm thinking, like, whatever the person types in. Let's say that they type in their name is Barda Mardis, okay? And then you take this and you warn them. So I guess we'll just... Oh, why is it grabbing that? Oh, I have to start my tablet driver up. Stupid tablet driver. Do the thing. Okay, now it's working. Okay, give me a second. Now we'll start again. So we got up here, we got like... Right? Let's say they typed in this monstrosity, which has like a lowercase and one uppercase, right? We should give them a warning. And then this B should change into a, like that. I think we can do that with dot title, because that's what we did that guy was using, Comedy Gaming was using last time. That dot title command is going to help us here, because I think that should just automatically upgrade this one this lowercase into an uppercase, and then we'll get Barda Mardis, which is going to become Barda underscore Mardis. And they're going to say, like, Barda Mardis will become Barda underscore Mardis. Are you okay with this? And then proceed. And then once you've proceeded, then their file will become Barda underscore Mardis dot txt. That's their whatever text file or whatever. And then also this should also be their username. But we should enforce this kind of naming scheme where it's like capitalized and then also underscore, because the underscore makes it so that we can actually use it as a character file. So I want to enforce the fact that they're using the same name for logging in and for their text file and a bunch of other stuff. That's what we're going to do today. Okay, so this makes a little more sense to me now. Okay, I'm just going to quickly save this. Yeah, let's save this version as a pinge file in the actual in the PyCharm projects. Rolepy docs. Oh, we actually did one already in there. Let me take a look at the one that we already did. I think that this one's a little bit more straightforward to the point because it's only like a couple steps. But let's take a look at the other one. There is another one that's there. Yeah, this one actually makes a little bit more sense. Let's go take a look at this one. I don't really need this one anymore. Oops. Wait. Yeah, there we go. I've never used this Mario Party one even once. This is just cameras. I guess I'll leave it. Just chatting. Let's get hacking. This one's okay. Isn't this the same as the other one? It is. This one's just called Pure for some reason. PyCharm. This is just showing the same thing as the other one. Okay, hey, that's actually a little bit better. Okay, let's get back into it, guys. I'll bring the create window over here so you guys can see. This is what we created last time. So this is like the string that we received, Spig's Troll Flipper, right? And we want it to say Spig's Troll Flipper. That's what you type in. And then it's going to say, like, you know, counts the first one as the first name and the last one is the last name. And it's probably going to want to have that. And if you don't include a last name, well, you're going to have to include a last name. We're going to have to ask them for 2 different names. So we'll ask them, like, what is your character's first name? What is your character's last name? Those are the first two things that we ask people. Wonder if we can give people name changes. Huh. That would be interesting. So yeah, we'll ask them for 2 different names. We'll ask for a first name and a last name. This character name will come down and we'll ask them, like, Spig's Troll Flipper will be transformed into Spig's _ Troll Flipper. Are you okay with this? And then I'll tell you, like, when you log in, you should use Spig's _ Troll Flipper because we should try and keep everything consistent. Consistency is going to help, I think. Now, here's a funny thing. Hi, Real MKB. What up? I'm still looking at our snowman. And I'm thinking about my system here. I'm trying to make my system a little better. So now, if you're given a character name on creation, it should be able to load it up. So we'll just, like, say this display name. I'll say if display name not equal to empty string. That means that they overrode this empty string default. Then we'll how you doing today, Real MKB? I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for being here. Oh, I'm gonna take some pills. These are vitamins. Before I am well again. Thanks. How's you? I'm good. Life's good. So today I'm probably going to be doing a little bit of programming here, hacking at my system, and I'm going to be interspersing that with doing some, like, Smash Bros or whatever else other game I feel like playing. How you doing today? I mean, what? Actually, I asked that already. What's new with you? What's new and what's hip and happening? Okay, so we do self.display name is equal to display name. So their first and last name. His name, like, with a space. I'm gonna use such as instead of like. Actually, it might be better to do like EG so I can actually read it. I can close this a little bit. There you go. That'll give me a little more room. I am well, thanks. How's you? I'm good. I feel like I'm doing better today, and I feel like with this program in particular, I feel like I was I got up and I started sprinting today because I got a whole bunch of stuff done right off the bat. 22:40 p.m. on the Friday, so enjoying the weekend. Finished mucking around with Flask and SQL Alchemy in Python. So 22:40 p.m. So that is 10:40. It's almost 11 p.m. for you. Okay, cool. Yeah, for me it's almost 4 p.m. So the day has just pretty much begun for me. I was doing a bunch of programming and I was like, might as well stream this so that I can show my progress and see how, you know, how things are working. Also, if you're part of the Discord, guys, you guys can actually jump on the Discord and test it out here. Give me a second. I gotta close my DMs before I, there we go. Let me find the channel. Here's the channel right here. So here's the bot. Let's try logging in. Or we gotta run the program. Let's run it here. Hi yo, hi Lux. How you doing? The Real MK Base is now wondering if to go back to C#, kind of want to override built-in static methods by direct injecting new IL code within the assembly at runtime. Easier said than done, but I think it's possible. Oh, my tummy is upset. Oh shoot. Alright, be right back. Oh. I have to do some bike today. Lux is not the best. Oh, what's wrong, Lux? What's wrong, son? Daddy's here for you, Lux. Oops. Okay, so this is create username from display name. Actually, let's just make this all the same. So Barter Marty's would be the internal name, mostly used for the file name. Lux says, I had to end a friendship because that person is dating someone I dated, and they know my rules with exes. Oh, that sucks, Lux. That really sucks. I'm sad to hear that. I think I'm way too nice. You are really nice, Lux. And I thank you for coming in to join us on the channel. I appreciate you. Lux says, you're welcome. Aw, big hug. See, our avatars are right beside each other. Big hug happening right here now. Thank you, Lux. Let me fix my camera up a little bit so you guys can actually see me. Oh dear, I think I just grabbed the whole overlay a little bit. This needs to go up. Up. Here we go. Maybe shrink it down a little bit. Yeah, there you go. That. I have 2 lightsabers. Oh, you want to see my lightsaber? I have a lightsaber too, Lux. I love lightsabers. I want to get more. Unfortunately, lightsabers. Starting a lightsaber collection is expensive. I'll show you guys my lightsaber. Give me a second. Let me go wide mode again. There's not a lot of room to swing it around. Is that Windu's color? Oh no, this one's blue. It kind of shows up kind of purpley in the camera, but it's actually blue. And this is Anakin's lightsaber. It's the edgy lightsaber. But I don't know. I really like the design. And actually, I was gifted this from my friend. This is neat. Yeah, it's Obi-Wan color. I love the sounds on it are really nice. Yeah. And this thing is super fun. I've been learning how to do a few different like lightsaber tricks and stuff like that. I've been thinking about doing them, like trying to get good at doing a bunch of them. It's fun. It's its own sport. Lightsaber is like a recognized sport in France. And this thing is sick. I love this thing. Okay, I put it on the shelf there. Put that filter back on. There we go. And we're back to programming. So basically we get this display name and it gets turned into an internal name. I guess we should give them some warning when we use this command. But I'm not going to do that in the code. Mardis would be the full display name. Mardis would be underscore Mardis would be the internal name. Let's say they typed Barda Mardis. So they typed Barda Mardis when they logged in. Oh, hey, Bad Bones. I see Bad Bones in the chat. See Baron and Nancy. How you guys doing? Okay, let me just run this in Python and see what this title thing does, because I don't know. I don't know. Oh, that worked. Sweet. So we're gonna, okay, as a Jedi is a religion, and pretty much in the UK, is playing with a lightsaber not a sport but a religious practice? Oh, that's a good question. I would say yes. Okay, then Bartimaeus would be the display name or the full name. Full name. And then this barter use would be the username. And yeah, we should just deny them entry if they have invalid characters. So really this should be like when they initially type in their name. And this should not be done here, I don't think. 'Cause this should just do the thing. Internal name equals internal name dot lower. No, we don't need this anymore. If it is protected by law to do anywhere, I don't know. I think that I should be protected by law from doing it in my current situation because I got so many lights and things around me. I should probably not swing it around. So it should be illegal to swing it around right now. For me. I think that worked. Okay, I think that makes more sense. Create username from. Character got create username from display name. So now they got a username. And then we should make this file name because a file name. Basically, the display name is the file name is dependent on the username. The username is dependent on the display name. But the display name, if it's blank, it can't be relied upon. If that makes any sense at all. I'm probably not making any sense. What they type to log into the system, e.g. Bartas, drive from... Okay, we did this already. Okay, you know what? We should make this a demanded thing. If you need it, or you know what? If it's blank, file name is equal to user. Okay, there we go. That's in there. Elif display name. If else how you doing, Baron Nancy? I saw Baron Nancy came in here for a moment. Actually, you know what? This can be pulled out from here. Because the display name is going to be the same no matter what. And this can become self. Either one would be fine, but self.display name is equal to this. Else blank character. Self dot username is equal to blank string, self dot file name is equal to okay, I think this might actually do it now. I need it to automatically call it to load stuff in. There's a Python static method. Yeah, it seems like this should be just a static method. Because it doesn't need anything. It just reads anything. File name, I don't need the show all or any of this. It can also be a static method too. So there you go. These will save, provided that there is some sort of saving, something to save there. So this, once this is all done, it should try and or maybe I should do it up here. I think that should be, yeah, provided that we have this. Okay, so now I gotta put my thing in here and do the thingy. The thingity thingy. Trying to put my words into words. I'm trying to get it to automatically load our file now. That's what I'm trying to do. let's check the load command. Make sure load is going to work properly. Characters, file name. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's try and load a character using the character thingy. I always like to do my tests with Python like this, where you run a test, and then you run another test, and then you run another test, and you just name it a new test. Oh, I should probably also post the stuff. My socials, that's what I'm going to do. Quickly post all the different socials about what I'm doing. Let's try this. Best thing about Python is to run it and see if it works. Error. File name is not defined. Oh, it needs to be self.filename in load. I'm not getting it externally anymore. I'm getting it as an internal function. Says you might want to look at it if this is a Discord bot. You might want to look at it if this is a Discord bot. Using SQL and setting up a free instance on the cloud like AWS. MySQL. Usually free, or Postgres. That's actually probably a good point. Once this the scope of it has been expanded to the point where like I need to do that, I would probably want to put it up like a cloud on a cloud. Yeah, that would be a smart idea. But right now, just because it's just being used by me and a handful of my friends, It doesn't really need to be run off of a server just yet, but that will be a future thing. That's a very, very good point. Thank you, Real MKB. Clever idea too, putting it on the cloud. The only reason why I have it right now is because it makes it easier for me to fire off iterations of it, and I don't have to worry about anything. You know what I mean? Because I control the means. Anytime I tend to go cloud first this day and age, cheaper than running locally. Yeah, I suppose so. For me, I just like to like, because it's not a service that anybody's super reliant upon. I can like turn off the server at any time and like reload iterations. I know that a lot of times most people have like, I think that most like software development teams have like a special day of the week that everything goes down and everything gets patched up. I'm constantly patching everything, so this just speeds up my hacking speed because I can run it locally and run iterations of it, close it, run it, close it, run it, close it, run it, close it, run it. That is a great suggestion. Thank you. I'll have to take a look into doing that. What was I doing again? I freaking my ADHD is getting the better of me now. I was doing a thing. Do a thing. Oh. Fair dues. To be fair, you can patch real time with 0 downtime pretty much on most cloud providers, but again, all to your needs. Okay, yeah, that's true. I to be honest, I just don't understand cloud stuff. I've never done it before, so I don't really know whether or not it's easier or not. This is just the way I do it. Okay, so yeah, well, we're going to try and fix a load function. That's what we're trying to do. So load is here. It's going to try and write something at the end. Oh, here we go. Right here. Self.filename. That's what we needed. Let's try it. Let's run it again. Fire it. Self is not defined. Because this is an internal function. That's why it can't be like that. It needs self. We need self. That's just self. Okay, run it. Test completed. What did it just freaking do? What did it do? I guess that didn't really make it do anything. Print. Oh, I should say like C is equal to character. Try it again. That's interesting. It doesn't get my race data from page. There's no race in here, maybe? No, race is human. But it didn't read race data. See, race is equal to nothing? That's weird. Let's go up in the load function again and try and patch that. For line character file. I don't understand why race got overwritten. You see here, race is empty. That is really weird. Mostly this whole entire chunk here, this weird gigantic chunk here, is all for just reading the character file. Or not the character file, the character class. It splits it up into chunks and reads each individual chunk and then puts that in. Oh, maybe it's in Get Pro, this one. That's really weird. Okay, so give me a second. This has race in it in self.get. But I wonder if it actually updated that value. Maybe in here I should do... It seems like on the first iteration through, it's getting it. So here we go. It says race equals human. And we scroll down to when we get it the second time, when we get it off of the get. Suddenly we're not getting the race. When we use get. Username, display name, race, age, gender. Maybe it didn't update. Frick. I guess is there not a race in here? There's no variable inside the character object for display for storing race. Oh, wait, is this it here? Is it here? There is. So why is it not? Shoot. This is a character issue. String object is not callable. It doesn't look like it's loading it in. You see this? It says race is equal to empty string. I see why. It needs to be renamed. And I should make a new version of it. Maybe duplicate one. Copy. Paste. Page backup.txt. There we go. A lot of them rely on it being called page with a lowercase. Frick. Okay, well, I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna play some Switch, do some Smash. I think I know what needs to be done now. The character sheet here is not the problem. The problem is that we're not getting an update. This is not loading in properly. And I think the reason why is because we're editing the username and stuff. So we should just not edit that. Let's just fix it now. Well, I know what I'm doing. Race? Why is race not loading? clearly see here race equals human. Okay, so there you go. It's getting race human at that point. Oh my gosh. We need it's on load. Load. There's load. Here's load. Here's load. And close the stock string too. So right here, where it's printing this profile, this is all correct. This is going good. It's called race. And let me take a look in here. Is this... Oh, this is overwriting it. I see. Sequence order is important. So finally down here it will load. Okay, now we should do it. Let's see here. We want to print c.get character sheet. Hell yeah. Yes. Now we're getting race is equal to human. Yeah, now it's working. Ha 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 ha. It's all working now. Fuck yeah. This is quite excellent. Hey Bad Bones, are you around? I see your avatar down there. Hi Blazebug, you around? Okay, well now that I've got the character sheet working, I think I can do more now. Thank you for the Titanic Flute redeem, real MKP. Keeping it real. Keeping it Titanic flute. Oh boy. I need a drink after that one. Okay, so now I wonder if I should. I'm not going to work on the character helper anymore. I'm going to do the thing that the stream that I said that I was going to do on the stream, which was to do the combat thing. Do combat. So I'm going to do exactly that. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a little break to play a little bit of Smash. Wind down, and then I'm going to try and get back to the hacking these combat systems. Alright guys, we're going to do a little bit of switch now. I'm going to switch over and do a little bit of that because I needed to give my brain a break. I've been working at this for a few hours now, or it was about an hour. We're going to play some Smash Bros. Also, I bought some new games. I bought Onimusha Warlords and Okami. Oh my god, those games make me laugh, and they also make me cry. They're beautiful, beautiful games. Oh yes, I bought also some DLCs for for Smash Bros as well, using some of the money that I've been donated. I'm gonna need a moment here. Man, Piranha Plant's nutty apparently. I didn't buy all the other characters and stuff like that just because, like, I bought the characters I thought I would play and the ones I liked just because they cost me money. So, yeah. Let's do some fights against our Bowser amiibo. I think I gotta go in here and go amiibo. Amiibo! Okay, let's smash against him and try and get him stronger and stronger and stronger. I want to play against him with the like. There's a Smash tournament. I want to try and do the Smash tournament with my Bow Wowzers. Oof. Gee whiz. This Bow Wowzer is pretty freaking aggressive. I'm gonna have to sum up my game against this Bowser. Oof. Oof. I feel like he's even harder when there's no platforms. Let's try with platforms. Oof. Fudge. Oh, fuck. Man, I'm not doing good today. It's really hot today. That's probably why. I'm having difficulty, like, thinking. I feel like an overheated computer. Ugh. Flawless victory for Battle Wowzer. Yeah, again. Dude, he's kicking my ass. He is really, really tough. Well, I've already gotten a level 50. I'm going to go fight against a level 9 AI, because that's, like, a little easier than fighting against Bowser. But here, let's put him back. I can remember how he destroyed me. Writing complete. Please remember Amiibo. Wait, I just realized something. I should try the new control stream. The 2022 memory card. Yeah, right? It's a 2022 memory card. What was I gonna do? Right, I was gonna adjust my controls. Okay, let's try this. Look at it. Is that one mine? Okay, that seems to be good. Okay, so I put the L on there because I'm going to be practicing what's called a double jump cancel today. Double jump cancel is like when you jump and then you immediately double jump and then you go into a move to cancel your double jump. It just helps you position stuff, basically. What? Why isn't it using the... It's not letting me jump on the freaking L2. Is there any way to choose which controller you get to have? How do I assign Joey's controls, though? This is some bullshit. I'm getting mad. It doesn't even tell me what, like... Why? Why? Maybe it does it here. Maybe I gotta choose my control set here. This should still be grab. This should be jump, though. Come on. There you go. Stick jump should be turned off. Off. Oh, I see. You have to choose your name. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, let's try not to suck this time. We'll see how well that goes against a level 9 CPU. Here we go. The up yo-yo is good. Floof.
Now, return to your original position. Watch the flow of my movements as I demonstrate. Keep your hands and heels on the floor. Hold this pose for 30 to 40 seconds. Now, return to your original position. Watch the flow of my movements as I demonstrate. Focus on stretching your back.
Oh,
Return to your original position.
Dang it. Oh, fudge! Come on, Day. He is seriously kicking my butt. I'm not okay with this. What the frick? Okay, you go. Got one stock off the dickhead. Damn it. I keep trying. Fuck. Ugh. Yeah! PK Rocket. Duck Hunt Dog is amazing. I've never seen him before. Want to buy a Switch and this game for him. Yeah, I know. Isn't that neat? Isn't that sick, though? He's kicking my butt, though. He's actually amazing. Ugh. Frick. He's going nuts throwing all these clay pigeons everywhere. The freaking Duck Hunt Dog is really, really strong. What the heck? If you do get this game, let me know, Real MPB. We'll play together. Oh, fun time. Duck Hunt's nuts. Alright, let's give this another shot. I'm gonna have to turn down the CPU because I'm not doing so hot today. Let's bring it down to like 7. I want to win one. Got him. Oh, come on. Yeah, got him. Yeah. Oh, he's not dead yet. Got him. Okay, let's go back to doing programming now, I guess. I managed to win one. Even though it was a nerf difficulty, whatever. My brain is mush today, so that's my excuse. Alright, back to hacking the combat system. So now we've got a bunch of stuff working. You know what? I'm gonna heat up some soup. Have a little get myself a little snack. says, one thing I see as a benefit, but does annoy me about Python, is I find it very good at basic stuff. Advanced stuff, there's no recommended defined best practice. And because of that, tooling is just not there for certain more advanced things, in my opinion. Probably biased opinion. Hey, you know what? Your opinion is valid. Okay? Very valid. I don't think that there's like I would say that depending on your project, the best method can vary. And I know that's probably a wildly controversial opinion, but like for me as like an amateur programmer, somebody who's just trying to do something for myself and make something for my own purposes, Python's a perfectly valid programming language. For somebody else, C# might be a better option, or maybe C++. I.e., you want to do SQL migrations in .NET, it's just EF 99%. Use this built-in tool, use this incredibly good and full documented. In Python, there's like 25 options. Use Flask migrate, use Alembic, SQL Alchemy migrate, which everyone says not to use. Due to this, there's 3 to 5 mainstream way docs, and questions need to be very specific on what you're using. And as the community has multiple ways, efforts are split, meaning all lack certain basic features, in my opinion. That is very true and very valid. That is quite true. I like the fact that there's lots of cool libraries and stuff like that in Python. I do not like the fact that there's like 40 different libraries all do the same thing, but yeah. It does have that problem. Okay, here we go. So I'm just trying to get everything else working here. I've got this character function here. Character seems to be working correctly. I'm trying to get now the Rolepy Discord bot to work. So this guy just got started. Let's go into our bot testing grounds. Where is it now? Here we go, bot testing grounds. And we're going to try and log in this page. And it'll tell me, Stabby, you're already logged in this page. So let's try and add more stuff, because we're logged in now. It says here, you're logged in as, this should be character. Add character. Okay, that's in there. Who am I? That not work? Error number 2. No such file or directory. Empty quotation marks. Where is this error? It says in 316 in do who am I? Get profile needs to give an image file. There's some character here. So we need a thing in here called self.profile image, I think. T-Craze says, hi babe, hope your code stream is going well. It's going well. Thank you for coming in and checking on me. Might try Fast API as well. Flask is cool, but seems MVC very MVC focused. I like to separate out front end and back end concerns. Also seems to be more scalable. Not that there's anything wrong with MVC or that Flask can't be an API. Just think Fast API might be better geared. Thanks for the introduction, The Real Jordan Vo. I am starting to like Python and even offer to do it at work professionally for a BI team as their stuff trying to get out of our C# stack and get them to take up and they use Python. Oh, that's great. I'm really happy that I was able to introduce you to Python. I really love Python and I really like programming and you know I'm happy that I'm happy I could do that for you. Thank you. I'm really glad that you're here to be part of the fun. Sorry, let's stop being English at the end. I understand the sentiment. Thank you, Real MKB. Now, if only I could get my webcam to cooperate. Okay, so we got to go into load here. Okay, here we go. This get profile, full profile thing gives everything. If So this is the profile image here. File not found error. What the frick does that even mean? File not found error. Hey, give me a second. I mean, it means the file's not found, obviously, but it was finding the file earlier. Okay, my food's heating up. Now I'm just gonna keep hacking at this. So we're getting this accept right here. Line 275, image file not found. Okay, let's just run this character file thing again. See, this profile image is in here, it will tell us. You know, profile image is equal to page.png. So picture equals a character portrait slash page.png. So that should work. And yet, oh, dang it, I keep opening that. You know what I should do? I should just close my DM. Just because like I'm screen sharing everything. Okay, here we go. me think here. So that's in the Do Who Am I? It's not successfully loading in the character. So however I'm like logging in to the character, it's not actually logging them in. Because I'm not seeing... I need a moment. I'm gonna grab a constant snacks. Help me. I'm back again. Hello. Oh, I just heard my toast pop. My toast. My toast. Toast pop. Hello, I'm back, guys. I'm eating peanut butter toast with honey on it right now. The thing I'm eating with it, the soup, is like a beef stew. I'm just gonna go just chatting while I'm eating. Once I finish eating, I'll get back to the programming. I figure I might as well just chill and chat while I'm eating. Okay. Oh, it worked. Yes. Perfect. Alright, so it looks like it's working now. It seems to be loading in the characters correctly. Now I can finally start to work on the combat system now. And to make the combat system work, I needed to make everything else work. So now that I can log in and stuff, let's add a new command and that should just tell us my current status. We're gonna do this new command, status. Do status. Oh, this is going to become really useful. This is combat commands. We're going to have to come back to that very soon. Do status. Determines your current status. So username is going to be the message.author.name and then the message.author.discriminator. Like that. And then we say character is equal to dm.loggedin as username. That'll get the character that they're logged in as currently. Response is equal to character.getStatus. Turn response comment channel. Okay, we need a new status effect in here. So we gotta go up here. Close things. Let's close things up as we go. It makes it look less horrible. Get character sheet. I guess we'll do it here. Def get status. Response is equal to all this stuff. Is all the stats kind of things. Get status. And I'd say equal to health messages. Hit points. Module. These should be both modulo I feel like. Modulo I out of modulo I hit points. Is there anything else that needs to be said other than the current health? I guess their list of like status effects. We'll worry about status effects later. Right now, I just want to get the most basic things working. So, health is probably a big one. And being dying or dead is probably a big one. That's it for status. Get status. Here we go. Health message equals to this. If self-dying equal to true, message equals self.dead is equal to true. And you are in 422, there's an error right here. What is that? So when it's like trying to load last session, I think it's breaking. It's in DM helper. Sorry, stop being that. I think PyCharm has 7 arrows list in file. On the top right, it has a red mark with 7 next to 8 warnings. Oh yeah, it's got a whole bunch of warnings, but they're weak warnings though. Expected argument here. These ones is they're getting this is an old test anyways. I've slowly changed how things work, and as I refracted them, the old settings didn't work. Says can't read text too small. Discord bot.py. Is the text actually too small? I apologize if the text is too small. I can try and make it bigger, I guess. Let me see here. Is that better? Like that? Or it might be res, but in that last file, you where the 7 errors listed, and it's the text on the tabs. Can't read, wouldn't worry about it. It can read code. Ooh, rolepy discordbot.py file. Inside this one? Oh yeah, I see. This one actually has the errors in it. It was 7 errors. Okay, that seemed to fix everything. Try run now and fingers crossed. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try it again. Okay, so I'm like this. Let's go back to our thing here. Login page. So I'm logged in. Let's log out. It says I'm still logging out as an unnamed character. This is kind of weird, but let's log back in this page. It seems to work when we log back in. And then I ask, who am I? And it sends us a thing here, sends us our whole character sheet, along with the picture. The picture's now working, which is fantastic. I think that something's messing up when it tries to load our thing in. So let's go look in DM helper and let's look at this load logins. Because we had I had a thing here that would automatically save who was logged in as who when it closed everything, and then it would, yeah, there we go, load last session. Oh, it's actually in one of these things. It's in data logged in. We're both logged in as unnamed character. That's so weird. So this one would be not named as Paige. This one should be not logged in as Chai. That should be how it is. Character equals to character. But I do believe when it was supposed to give it a name now, I think. Yeah, you're supposed to give it a display name. Character equals to character. Seems like it's an empty character right now. Can't open self.file name. I think someone forgot interpolation on string. Maybe, but it seems to be working now. No errors. Let's take a look and double check. Okay, seems to be doing this thing. Okay, let's go into the thingy. Well, the thing is, it seemed to have sent it twice. Okay, I just need a moment here. Alright guys, to be honest, I'm starting to run out of steam a little bit, but I did get a couple things done with the roleplay bot. I feel like I hacked on it a little bit more. It's hard to put into words exactly what I did, but let's take a look at the commit. So it says here we did changes to character, DM helper, logged in. We fixed the session loading and saving so that you don't have to log in every time you open the program. I also made some quick changes to the Discord bot and added the status command. Alright guys, well thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really had a lot of fun. The real MKB says, peace out. Thank you so much for joining me, MKB, and I will see you next time. Later.